little ducks came back. Red, green, blue, yellow. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And only 3 little ducks came back. Red, green, blue. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. Red, green. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 1 little duck came back. Red. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But none of the 5 little ducks came back. Sad mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all 5 little ducks came back.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel.
A is for apple, apple, apple. B is for banana, banana, banana. C is for cup, cup, cup. D is for dog, dog, dog. E is for egg, egg, egg. F is for frog, frog. G is for girl, girl, girl. H is for horse, horse. I is for ice, ice. J is for juice, juice. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for mouse, mouse. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pigeon, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van. W is for wolf, wolf. X is for x-ray, X-ray. Y is for yogurt, yogurt. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel.
A for apple and airplane. B for ball and bubble. C for car and cake. D for dinosaur and drum. E for elephant and egg. F for fish and frog. G for giraffe and gift. H for house and hat. I for ice cream and igloo. J for juice and jelly. K for kite and koala. L for lion and lollipop. M for monkey and moon. N for nest and noodles. O for octopus and orange. P for panda and pizza. Q for queen and quilt. R for rainbow and robot. S for sun and star. T for tiger and train. U for umbrella and unicorn. V for van and violin. W for whale and watermelon. X for x-ray and xylophone. Y for yo-yo and yogurt. Z for zebra and zoo.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel.